Okay, I'm here at Silent Scuba, and John, you're going to tell me a little bit about these units here?
Sure. So we've got 3 units on display. We've got the Titan, the Revo, and then over here we've got the Megalodon.
Okay.
So these are 3 examples of closed-circuit rebreathers.
And they're all in pieces so we can see the inside.
Exactly. So what you're focused on here is the Megalodon.
Okay.
So this is basically your scrubber canister.
Right.
This is what's going to scrub out or absorb the CO2.
Okay.
Okay. So basically what we're doing is, as opposed to open circuit diving, with closed circuit diving, we just continue to breathe that same breath over and over. So we're removing the CO2 and adding in the necessary oxygen or diluent to keep us at the PO2 that we want to be at.
Right.
So if we look at the Revo here, I'll just pull this apart and show you everything about it.
Cool.
So this particular unit of a Revo is actually the latest design. It's called the RMS system.
RMS.
So, yep, the RMS system. And basically what it allows you to do in these two sorb containers, we actually have temperature sensors. So these 4 temperature sensors in each container monitors the heat exchange as you use up the sorb container.
Okay.
So instead of sort of what we typically do in other rebreathers is you basically time the amount of time that you dive. So you say, this sorb container is good for 2 hours, and after 2 hours we throw it out. With the new RMS system, what you're able to do is actually monitor the exact use as you burn through the scrubber, so you can extend that time and still be very safe.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
So you can use the material a little bit longer.
Exactly. Use it a little bit longer, as well as you understand exactly where you are in the sorb container.
Okay.
So I'm going to pull these out so we can see inside our rebreather. So these are our sorb containers. I'll set these to the side. Basically what we've got here is we've got the monitor for the RMS system. It mates to the cell that's reading the temperature sensors here. So these mate together, and this gets displayed for you on your Shearwater computer.
Nice.
Demonstrating exactly where the sorb is in the canister.
Okay.
Okay. So what you've got here is we've got one set. This is where we have our automatic diluent valve. We've got our gases that come in here in through our top sorb canister.
Right.
And then in our bottom sorb canister, we've got our oxygen sensors.
Right.
So we see in this example, we're running 5 oxygen sensors.
Is that just for safety redundancy, or?
Exactly. Yeah. One of the big advantages of the Revo is that we have complete redundancy in what you're displaying. So this Shearwater is going to display 3 of these sensors.
Yeah.
And your Revo Dream here is going to be displaying your other 2 sensors. So you've got full redundancy between displays.
Okay.
So it's a very nice safety advantage. Also, you see that we've got 2 sorb canisters versus some of these other units have 1 sorb canister.
Okay.
So it's a difference in innovation and design. All these units are excellent units. This just has some different engineering advantages.
And then this goes by the Revo 3?
The Revo 3 with the RMS, which is the remote monitoring system.
And then to find out more information on .com, they would go to
SilentScuba.com.
Okay, cool.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.